Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to install any mod pack onto your Pine hosting server. With Pine hosting, it's actually very simple to install mod packs because we have a Modpacks tab, which allows you to basically find any available mod pack made by the community. Now the first step is to actually find the mod pack that you want to install onto your server. To do that, go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. This will basically show you all the available mod loaders. We're gonna go with cursewords. Now from these options, we're just gonna go with the first one I see, which is all the mods 10. And the next thing you'll need to do is just click on the install button and then click on wipe server files. Finally, click on the install mod pack, and that should fetch automatically all the files for the mod pack and install the right game version for your server. Now that your mod pack is installed, you can go ahead and launch your server. But to make sure that the mod pack actually works, you will need to also install the mod pack client side. To do that, you'll need to head over to the official mod pack page. Once you're here, make sure to click on this install via app button, and it will basically automatically open the mod pack in-game for you to be able to download it and hop onto your server straight away. Once you have installed the Modpack client side, you can go ahead and launch your server from the console tab and click start to launch it. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.